ordered my machines for working on my woods from my country, Zimbabwe. So actually I was happy because with their service they provided, and I even tested my machines. They're working so well, and I'm happy. I'm happy because I was able to come here and inspect everything. So I encourage everybody, or would I say, or love, I would be happy as well if you also support Blue Elephant, because they have their quality machine and everything is good. I don't know if much to say, but yeah, I'm happy and I look forward to order more. And if you are interested in woodworking business, you can come and try to see. There are different machines they manufacture, and yeah, they're good, efficient. I've tested them and everything is good. I appreciate also the time they gave me to come here in their factory and see everything by myself, and yeah, I'm a satisfied customer. Thank you. Thank you.